start study to build Power BI dashboard for managers, and as assistant general manager I am in maintenance, so they contact me to complete the connection between the data in maintenance and the company which implement and build the Power BI dashboard. It uses the charts and the graph to visualization the data. So I build the first model, start to build for failure mode and defect analysis, FMEA. This is model for Power BI project, first model. Why I choose this FMEA? Because the failure mode defect analysis identity potential failure and impact of the outcomes, and also it is different method to take a predictive approach to maintenance activity rather than corrective action. So we can link some way of artificial intelligence as the implementation Power BI company say to predict the failure before it's happened. Also, FMEA allow your maintenance team to quantify the consequence assets failure and strategically limit their impact on business continuity. Of course, this need accurate data to get accurate results. This is the first information I hope we get from the Power BI project suggestion model. This is the analysis of FMEA, failure mode and defect analysis, divided by category of important assets we have here in our company: gas turbine, crude oil pump, gas generator, air compressor, and also there is diesel generator also. And the color blue is a problem, orange is the cause, and the gray is remedy. That will determine which category has more problems than other. This is another chart help to predict FMEA for an asset. If we take, for example, asset as a gas generator, have a problem of cooling system fault and also bearing fault and lubrication system fault and discharge valve fault, we can detect which fault or problem repeated more than other. This is in blue. And also, what is the largest cause of a problem, like here in orange. This is cause from bearing fault here. The problem, as you see, OHE, it is the code of the problem, and the description is overheating. So the major overheating cause is from bearing fault. We can feed the artificial intelligence Power BI module and predict when the asset may be failure in the future. Let's go to the details of analysis of failure mode and defect analysis. FMEA. For example, gas turbine has failure code GTIN, gas turbine industrial, and the problem is emergency shutdown for the gas turbine. The cause is high temperature switch fault. But when we remedy, it is okay. Task completed, no fault found. It is only the cable have a problem. We make a recommended corrective action, and after the corrective action happen and finished, we reassign and check again, all make a meeting with managers or top manager to change the strategy of the asset maintenance. After take the action, you can calculate severity, occurrence, and detection again, and they actually must get RBN lower than before. I suggest also to the implementation company a report for failure mode and defect analysis for asset or for group of asset like this, the work order number and date and all the data, to have a history saved in the network. We can return and check anytime the history of the failure facing this asset. Also, it is important part to know what corrective action we have do in the case of this failure. Thank you. This is Ayman Khshwai from Binary Code Soft.